Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to use Phantom Wallet. First of all, you can download the Phantom Wallet in your App Store or Play Store, and after downloading, you can just simply open the app and you can just simply create a new wallet. After creating the new wallet, you can see this type of interface, and here you can see the different tokens. Here you can just simply tap on send and you can send the different tokens to other wallets, and you can just simply describe the other tokens. And here there are many uses of Phantom app. You can receive the money, or you can swap the coins, or you can buy any coin that you want. And this is the use of Phantom wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.